Hello and welcome back to Tesla News. My name is Marian and I'm your host today. Today we will go into a short recap and we will look into a lot of things you should watch out for tonight in the earnings call, and I have some more news for you prepared. And if you do enjoy that, if you subscribe my channel, you give me support for my work, and I hope you follow me for my daily updates now. And let's dive into today's news, guys. So first of all, a lot of questions will have to be asked, and we hope that Tesla will answer a lot of questions that are around there today. First of all, I do expect that Tesla will have over 10 billion in revenue, and I do expect that the record earnings could happen. Again, we do have Wall Street expectations, and we have the investors that you are maybe, or regular investors, where the expectation might not be as high as with Wall Street, as we are all a long-term investor. And in Wall Street, they are always looking, or most of the time looking into the fast money, and they are looking more into the profit side. Looking at the Powerwall here, guys, again, the Powerwall was a lot of discussion in the recent days, because a lot of people that were unhappy with the solar roof actually got an option for a free Powerwall. And this unhappiness was actually resulted in the price increases I reported about, and this has to be a topic tonight. I think there will be people asking that question, why the price increase happened, what the strategy is now because of the combination and connection of the Powerwall solar roof and the Powerwall and the solar panels. So again, I'm not saying it's bad what Tesla did, but of course I think we need some more explanation what the strategy is here. Looking at the mega packs, it will be interesting to see how much money they are making with the energy business in general. So solar roof, mega packs, Powerwalls, etc. How is the energy business working in this first quarter, as we all have an eye on energy business? We do know the potential. The question is just how fast are they growing? So we have to look out for those numbers too. Furthermore, actually in Fremont we have seen today more solar roof options. So Tesla seems to be working on more options that were promoted already in the past, but were not able to be bought till now. So we have seen that in Fremont as well. So this is also good. Then the next topic is we have to look into the margins. In the last quarter, when we were looking into margins in Q4, they were lower than the Q3 in 2020. So it will be interesting to see how Tesla is managing the margins. And a lot has to do with the cost of the batteries, the cost of the chips, all of that what happened last year. Shortages now with the battery, with the chips that happened in first quarter. How does that affect the margins and the cost that Tesla has? It will be really important to look into that. A lot of questions won't be regarding Giga Shanghai. We do have seen a rapid growth of a ramp up here with the Model Y and the Model 3. I think further questions will be held on how fast are they actually ramping up the new battery cells. Are they already as far that they are able to cover the Giga Berlin as long as they don't have any battery factory? Because that was the initial plan, exporting the batteries to Giga Berlin to help Giga Berlin ramping up the Model Y. And this is also the next point here, Giga Berlin. The question, what is the timeline here? When are we looking to open the Giga Berlin? This is going to be the next big operation happening. So we have to know when is the initial date, because we get closer and closer, and it is just May and June. So we are just really like close to 8 weeks out here. And if they, and that is the key here, if they open on time. And that is the key question. We have no official statement from Tesla yet. So I think there's a lot of work happening in the background. So we do have to look what Tesla is saying towards this. Again, looking at Giga Austin, we have seen a massive growth of the building, and I have gotten more and more bullish about how fast we could see cars actually in Giga Austin. At the beginning, when the construction happened, I kind of had the feeling it's not as fast. And the funny thing is, Giga Berlin was actually constructed really fast, and now at the end of construction it is slowing down. And the opposite is happening in Giga Austin. The Texas people working over there, they have done a great job, and they are working really fast, really efficient, and it looks amazing how to see this building is evolving so far. So maybe Tesla is announcing as well what they are expecting really of a date when we could see the first cars coming out of Giga Austin. Again, that would be a Model Y. We do see the area where the battery will be produced. The buildings are already built or on the way to be finished, maybe this week. And then they can go in further details. So let's see how this is happening. And going back to the issues with batteries, yes, we do know that batteries are the key here to succeed. This is for everyone out there, for every company. So for Tesla, it's really important. How far are they with the ramp up of their own battery cells to cover the need in Giga Berlin? But again, how are they evolving to produce batteries in Giga Austin? Do they have enough batteries in Giga Shanghai and Fremont? This is the question here. Are they having any issues, or are they able to produce as many cars as they can? And this is the key question here, because the battery constraint here is the key question in the future to succeed, because we have seen the Semi is delayed or is just going into a low production of around 5 to 10 per week. And then we do have the Cybertruck, and all of the American consumers that have reserved the Cybertruck, they are really waiting for a long time now, and we need to see when Tesla really expects a Cybertruck production. We have seen rumors, we have seen some interesting facts, but it is all coming down to the battery. And this is the key here to the next point, when we will see finally the Cybertruck. This will be really important to look at. So taking all these information, taking all what you have to look for, it will be a really interesting earnings call. I think we will see a lot of surprises. Maybe we see another factory announcement, as Giga Berlin is close to be finished, or will be finished soon. Giga Austin is already over 50%, 60% done. So I think we might see some announcements to that. Who knows, or maybe not. So again, on my personal opinion, I think it will be a really interesting earnings call, and we will get a lot of information out there. And maybe we will see a delivery target officially now, finally, for this year. I think internally the goal will be 1 million cars, and that is what they are aiming for. So if you did enjoy my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you all back very soon at Tesla News for the daily Tesla videos. Thank you very much, guys. Take care.